Hi, I'm Janine Dowdy, and welcome to my third book critique. Today I will be going over a wide variety of books, primarily for 1 through 4th graders. These books have hidden meanings and have to do with the importance of friendship and family. These books offer fun, insights, and great variety of learning. For my feature text, I've chosen the book called Blackout by Jon Rappo. This is a Caldecott Award-winning book that has great illustrations for children to read for ages 4 to 9. This book begins with a family who lives in an apartment in the city. The family is way too busy to do anything with each other. They are too consumed with their duties, work, and technology, until suddenly there is a blackout in their city that makes the family stop what they are doing and finally begin to be with each other. They go outside and they notice the beautiful stars, and they begin to venture out into the city and get ice cream and do things with the family. In the end, when the electricity comes back on, they turn it off because they simply enjoy being with each other, since family is what matters most. For my first lesson, it's going to be a lesson plan for science. So this will be for 3rd graders. So the lesson will be, students will read Blackout. They'll work in pairs and discuss the stars that were in the book. They will then be assigned to different constellations that they'll have to learn about. They will then create a thing link and put their personal information of each constellation that they were given. After this, each student will come up and read their part of the thing link. They will then have this to keep to show their families at home. For my artifact, I have chosen an example of what the students will be making. They will add their own information into each tab, whether it's pictures, ideas, fun facts, and they will be able to share it with the whole class. For my second lesson plan will be an English language arts lesson for 3rd graders. Students will read Blackout and then discuss the pros and cons of technology and how it's helped or has worsened communication. They will then create a giant billboard to put the pros on one side and the cons on the other. They will then have to write a way of how we can balance technology in our lives. After they are done, they will share with the class. Here are some other good reads that can be incorporated in lessons and for students. The first book I have is called All the World by Liz Garton Scanlon. This is a Caldecott Award-winning book. It's a picture book, poetry, and easy for readers. All the World is about discovering the beauties in life and appreciating the importance and the value of family. This is a great picture book for kids from 1 to 3rd grade to enjoy reading and appreciating the beautiful illustrations that are in this book. Another great read that I have is The Paper Boy by Dan Pilkey. This is a Caldecott Award-winning book about a boy who wakes up at the crack of dawn to deliver his newspapers. This book will take you on his journey to deliver newspapers with his dog before anyone in the town has woken up. He then gets back from his job. His family is just waking up as he goes back to sleep. For my next book is Swim Meet by Leo Lionni. This is a Caldecott Award-winning book. It's about a school of fish in the ocean who are nicely swimming until a giant tuna fish appears. They are so afraid of it, so all of them hide behind rocks. Then comes Swimmy, who comes over and helps them. They use teamwork and work together to defeat the tuna fish. Another great read I have here is called Blueberries for Sal by Robert McCloskey. This is a Caldecott Award-winning book, a children's book. This book is about a kid named Sal who goes out with his mom to pick blueberries. While he's picking blueberries and eating blueberries, he loses his mom, where the book also takes you to a mother bear and a baby bear who are also eating blueberries. The little bear strays away from the mom and ends up finding Sal's mom, where Sal finds the little bear's mom. They then begin to follow each other's moms until the moms realize who's behind them. In the end, they find their real moms and they go home with all their blueberries. Here are some more good reads. We have Alexander and the Wind-Up Mouse by Leo Lionni. This is a award-winning Caldecott. and the genre is picture book and fiction. The next book I have is another Caldecott winner. It's by Ezra Jack Keats. It's a children's picture book. And then the last one I have here is also a Caldecott winner. It is by Dan Santant, and it is a picture book fiction. Thank you so much for watching.